Controversial church leader Shepherd Bushiri received much criticism on social media as his followers cried, prayed and shouted for his release outside the Pretoria Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on Monday, February 4. Video footage of his supporters kneeling, praying, and crying outside the court trended on Twitter as many criticized Bushiri's influence over his supporters. Bushiri and his wife Mary were arrested last week in Rustenburg on charges relating to fraud, money laundering and contravention of the Prevention of Organized Crime Act. "We are who we are because of Major Prophet Bushiri," one of his supporters said.
Yeah.